Hey, how we doing, everybody? We've got another walk around video for here at Das Trucks. If you like what you're watching, drop us a like. If you want to stay up to date on our inventory, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We post all of our trucks here on our YouTube channel. We make walk arounds videos for each and every single one of them. So hit that bell icon to make sure that you're getting notified constantly for that. But today is going to be a 2020 Freightliner MT45 chassis. It's an 18-foot step van, just using that Freightliner MT5 chassis. It has been fully reconned, and what we mean by that is we've gone through the suspension, the braking, the engine and transmission components. We've made sure that everything is working to a mint. This one has 85,780, and it is very similar to the one listed yesterday, Monday, so not too much difference there. But we'll go ahead and get started, and of course all of these FedEx decals are removable. But here we go. We'll start off with the tires. It's got brand new tires, 6 brand new tires all around. So it is ready to rock and roll. Now over here, you might have noticed you do have a side camera. We've got another side camera on the side. It just helps drivers. It's a cool little safety feature. This truck is in great condition, running great as well. I always love seeing what folks do with these trucks. Whether that's carpet cleaning in the food industry, anything of that sort, it's always cool. Or some folks even turn these into campers, which is awesome. Now this truck's GVWR is going to be 19,500. All right, now you do have a backup camera as well. And checking out your cargo space here. Now, these shelves do come included with this truck, but they are removable as well. Back there is that bulkhead. And then you do have a translucent roof with that dome light. Now, as you've noticed, or if you haven't noticed already, you do have parking sensors around the vehicle as well. Also another cool little safety feature, especially if you have new drivers driving your fleet, you're operating a fleet, that's definitely useful. I'm checking out the passenger side. This vehicle does have a 45-gallon gasoline tank. And now, as I mentioned earlier, this was a Freightliner chassis. It has an LS engine, which we'll get into later on, with plenty of power. But again, brand new tires. Here's that side camera over here, passenger side. Checking out the interior, it's in great condition. This truck's looking great. No rips or tears on these seats. That is a fold down passenger seat. And here's your main driver's seat. Safety cones in the back over here. Got a fire extinguisher over there, making sure y'all stay safe. We'll go ahead and start her up and run through the features. Back over here is your bulkhead. Door, that's how you can access your cargo area from the back over here. And that also locks over there. Now this is a Jenison touchscreen radio. So what's cool about this is you have the Bluetooth connectivity, but you also have a navigation system built into this touchscreen radio here. So really cool stuff. And then also your regular radio. If you're into that. Right on. You do have cruise control as well. And we will go ahead and check out that engine. All right, as mentioned earlier, you do have a 6.0 liter GM Vortec 6000 V8 gasoline engine. This is going to be coupled with that Allison 6-speed automatic transmission. Now again, all the filters and fluids have been checked and replaced if deemed necessary. This truck is running beautifully, and we'll get you guys a good listen here. All right, and that will wrap it up for your 2020 Freightliner MT45 chassis 18-foot step van. Now, if you'd like to find out more information about this vehicle, please head over to our website, which I will link in the description below. You'll also find some general information about this vehicle in that description. You can also find our phone number in that description. Feel free to give us a call. We can talk about anything you'd like, financing, any sorts of specific questions like that. All right, folks, well, thank you all very much for watching. Have a great one. Take care.